Oh, got one. Whew. This one's not. Oh, that is a nice fish. That is a nice fish. Oh, that is a nice fish. Oh, come on, come on. Don't come off. Don't come off. All right. It's another beautiful summer morning here in Southwest Missouri. And we're out here again trying to catch some fish at a small river. Elk River is what it's called. And we got a little early this morning, try to beat the heat. Supposed to get to triple digits later on, so. Oh. Got something, what is it? Ah, small bass. First fish. First fish of the trip. Smallie. Smallmouth. Tiny little guy. And like always, I have my fishing rod for catfish and my other fishing rod, pretty much for whatever bites. I got a rooster tail on, and usually with these I catch white bass and a whole bunch of smallmouth. So I'm gonna try my luck today with these smallies here in this river. All right, well, I just stopped here to see if I could catch some bluegill to use as bait, and I got one already, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue on downstream. All right, let's stop right here for a little bit. Throw our line out, catfish line. Oh, whoa. What was that? Oh, what the hell? Got something. Got something. Come on. What is it? Oh, yes. Come on. He ate the hook, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep him. Cut the line. First catfish. Well, decent sized catfish. Not bad. All right. Let me cut the line and then keep this guy. Oh, got something. White bass. Decent size. Oh, come on, guy. Decent sized white bass. Right. See ya, little guy. Alright. Oh, got something. Oh yes, bait. We got bait. Fresh bait. A little green sunfish. Oh, I saw that one hit it. Oh, come on, little guy. Hold on, hold on. Well, there he is. Kind of hard to get you. Ugh. Got him. Small, little small, well, smallmouth, smallie. Little guy, but he hit it hard. All right, see you, little guy. Oh, got one. Decent smallie. Oh, gotta get it. Sorry, little guy. I gotta get out. Whew. All right. Almost hit that fallen tree right there. Wasn't even paying attention. All right, we got a nice one. Oh, come on, guy. Nice little smallie. Not bad. He hit it like almost literally on the drop. Got one. Another smallie. This one's a bit smaller, but at least it's a fish. At least we're catching fish. Nice little guy. All right, see ya. Oh, got one. There you go. Another smallie. Come on, little guy. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Nice smallie. All right. See you, little guy. Oh, got one. Another smallmouth. Yay. These guys are fun. Nice smallmouth. Got one. That was quick. Ah, this is a different one right here. Looks like this is a spotted. Yeah, it looks like this is a spotted. Little spotted bass right here. So that's new. That's cool. Oh, see you, little guy. Whew. It's getting hot. Getting hot. Oh, got one. Got him. Yeah. Another small. Yep, smallmouth. It's awesome. Yep. Little smallmouth. See you, little guy. Oh, what are you doing? Got one. Oh, got off again. Huh. Ooh, there you go. Got this one. Man, these are real pretty color. Almost yellow color. It's nice. All right, see you later, guy. Oh, got one. Yeah. Another smallie. I'm gonna take a break from fishing for a little bit. Take a nice dip in the water. It's starting to get fairly hot. And then we'll continue downstream. Oh. All right. Got me a little rock bass. It's multi-species fishing today. So far I've gotten catfish, rock bass, plenty of smallmouth. I think it was a spotted, and bluegill. Oh yeah, and green sunfish that I kept for bait. So yeah, definitely a multi-species fishing video today. Nice little rock bass. All right, see you a little bit. And pretty much all except for the catfish have been caught with a rooster tail, 1/6 ounce. I have other lures in my backpack, but I mean, if this is working, why change? I've been catching them with this. I'm gonna continue using it. Come on. Oh, got one. So this, oh yes, another one. Oh, another species. Oh well, looks like this is a spotted one. Thought it was a largemouth, but it's not. It's another spotted. All right, see you, little guy. I gotta get back. Oh, got him. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, never mind. Felt bigger, or he tugged harder than what this little guy would have tugged. But anyways, see ya, little guy. Oh, got one. Whew. This one's not, oh, that is a nice fish. That is a nice fish. Oh, that is a nice fish. Oh, come on, don't come off, don't come off. Oh, that's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Yes. Yes, we are almost to our... Come on. We are almost to our spot. Well, not almost. We're about a mile from where we're gonna get picked up. And I was actually thinking about stopping and I was actually thinking about just stopping with the fishing and just kayak all the way down. Come on. Oh, gotta get out of these trees. Gotta get out of these trees. Branches. Come on. Yes. This is awesome right here. I was about to stop fishing. And then this guy right here. What an awesome end to my fishing trip. Man, this is the biggest fish I've caught right here. Well, this year at least. Nice size smallie. I actually have a thing on my kayak to measure. Let me see how much it measures. It's gonna be come on, guy. Bear with me, come on. Gonna be 8, 9, 10, 11. I don't know. I can't tell. All I know is that this is a good sized bass right here. Actually, let me take a picture of this bad boy. All right, time for you to go, big guy. There you go. There he goes. Oh, he went under my kayak. That is awesome. That is awesome. All right. That's it for today's fishing video. We're almost to where we're gonna get picked up. It was a great day for fishing. We caught plenty of smallies, a couple of white bass, some catfish, small catfish, but still catfish. Spotted, I think 2 spotted, and a few perch. It was an awesome day. Awesome day. Well, anyways, thanks for watching and see you on the next video. It's time to get home.